Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import your own audio from your device for your Instagram Reels. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new Instagram Reels. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm just going to select random photos or videos from my gallery. For example, I'm going to choose this one and also this one, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, and I'm just going to skip this step because I don't want to sing my photos with music. Okay, and here I'm going to import my own music from my gallery. So here I'm going to click on the music, and you will get the import menu here guys. Okay, and then you can select import, and here we can only choose a video, I mean the audio from video. I'm just going to pick random video, for example this one. Okay, and the audio from the video will be imported, and you can choose the part of the audio you want to add to your reel. Okay, this is just for an example. This tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this part. Okay, and I'm going to click on done. Okay, and I'm going to go to edit video, and as you can see guys that the audio from my device has been added to this Instagram Reels. So we can use the audio for our Instagram Reel. Okay, and here as you can see you will get the import audio option again, and you just need to select the menu, and I'm going to choose this audio. Okay, click on done. And now guys, I have two imported audios for my Instagram Reel. Okay, and for your information guys, that not all accounts already gotten this feature because I don't see the import audio feature or menu on my another Instagram account. So maybe if you haven't gotten this feature, you just need to wait. Maybe the Instagram will update it gradually. Okay guys, and that's all the way to import your own audio from your device to Instagram Reels. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.